It was composed in ancient times, and it describes the annual lick or gathering of black game as they circle about, establishing their pecking order in the flock.
You said birds.
Birds, right.
Not
birds.
what about we Scottish giants and...
No, giant Scottish birds. And they fight.
They fight.
They
So
fight.
they're not nice birds.
No, they're not nice.
Are they mean?
They're right, they're mean birds.
They're
mean
terrible.
birds. They're fighting and mean birds.
They're angry?
Right, they're angry birds.
Alright, okay.
Right.
Play your angry birds.
Right.
Alright.
So this tune, the classical pipe music, is a very pensive music. It's serious in tone, and it starts with the theme and then building variations on the theme. It's lovely, thoughtful, solemn and sincere music. Desperate Battle of the Birds.